Honestly, the best thing about wearing wigs, especially not installing them with glue, y'all, we have found a new home for Pump It Up. Okay, don't put this on your natural hair, but definitely wigs, we are there. It's holding you in place. I told y'all I did a pole class not too long ago, actually 2 different wigs, 2 different installs, and y'all, the Pump It Up changed the game. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Now's a good time to go ahead and subscribe. As you guys can see from the title and obviously the lovely hair, I'm going to be showing you how to make your closure wigs look like scalps. So you guys would probably assume that I'm wearing like a full frontal. I am not, baby. This is a frontal from Beauty Forever Hair, and of course all the details will be listed down in my description box below. If I do have any coupon codes, I will definitely be sure to include them, and it's really kind of a self-explanatory tutorial. And when I say that is, if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know I've been throwing out the wig videos back to back to back. So y'all should be wig pros at this point. I do not believe in doing the ball cap method. I feel like it definitely takes out your edges, all that stuff. So we are here to protect your hair. You guys are not going to believe the way that I actually installed this. Let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you guys know I always have to bleach my knots. It's just something that I just have to do. So obviously this is no different. I did go ahead and just quickly bleach up the knots. I do have a very detailed tutorial on how to bleach knots, especially closures, if that's something you want to see. And obviously this is a quick look at what the unit looks like. Obviously there's me, haha. But this is a quick look at what the unit looks like, freshly washed, conditioned, all that good stuff. And from here, I'm not really going to talk too much, because surprisingly, with me being able to bleach those knots, add a little bit of mascara just to kind of clean up any areas that kind of bled, I'm showing you some of the tips and tricks that I actually use throughout this full process. So definitely make sure to pay attention. I'm going to talk a little bit less and show you a lot more. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Leave any comments or questions down below. would love to say that we are done, but we are not. I did go ahead and sit underneath my hooded dryer, which of course I will leave a link, or actually add one, to my Amazon store for you, just so that you guys will have that at home nice and handy. But I did go back with the diffuser just to go ahead and kind of like finish up this process, y'all. I wanted to really be able to show you the final looks before exiting the video. I kind of hate those undone videos. So this is a look at the final product. So we are pretty much all done, and this is where I noticed my freaking lash. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, so sidebar. Obviously, thank you so much if you have been able to stand the test of time, okay, with this tutorial. Obviously, I did go ahead and bleach the knots, but I'm saying sidebar because as I was sitting under the hooded dryer, I kind of noticed it, but I was like, yeah, maybe I'm tripping. My lashes were kind of getting like warm, right? And then I continued to like diffuse at the very end, and I'm like, wait, I just looked in the mirror. I'm like, why do my eyes look like more like sleepy or whatever? Like, what's going on? Y'all, my eyelashes have literally went from curly to like straight. Do y'all see that? Like, I don't know if you can see it from here, but yes. So I went ahead and tried to take like an eyelash like curler, and y'all, this is not like, I don't know if okay, basically it would be the equivalent of me taking a flat iron and like straightening out my lashes. I cannot believe that I just uncurled my lashes with the blow dryer. Like, what in the world? I didn't even know that was a thing. So yeah, sidebar, if you are wearing lashes, y'all, and mind you, if you haven't seen the video, I don't even know if it's gonna be up yet, but I literally just filmed a video on how to do your own individual lashes, and or I should say like cluster lashes, really, right? Lash extensions. Y'all, I literally have to take these off because we cannot walk around with straight lashes. Like, how do we get here? Seriously, how did we, like, what? I cannot believe that this just happened to me. Like, look at these. I am weak. Look at these lashes. Oh my God, I cannot believe that I just really uncurled my lashes. What? Anywho, despite the lash inconveniences and all that craziness that comes with doing your actual hair, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely love the way that it looks. You guys can see, typically in curly hair, I will leave it all the same length. I did not cut anything off of the bottom, obviously. I wanted to kind of keep that length going, but I did kind of create some face framing layers here. I did have like a little bit of bang going on this side and this side. So if you ever wanted to make this a full bang wig, you absolutely could. For me, this is like a go-to vacation wig. Why? Because you can obviously switch it out, get it wet. Like, it's not going anywhere. I feel confident that like this unit is secure. No matter if I sweat, I know that I'm gonna be good. Maybe the baby hair will kind of like be irritating and might sweat out a little bit if you are going on vacation, but rest assured your hair will be nice, full, fluffy, all that good stuff. I did actually use my Cream of Nature mousse to kind of set everything, but I was running low, so what I ended up mixing this with is the Bronner Brothers foam wrap, and so I actually just like refilled the bottle. So I have a little bit of Cream of Nature and a little bit of Bronner, and honestly, this is the perfect combo. The Cream of Nature usually leaves like, I don't want to say like a sticky residue, but it's definitely making you feel as though your curls are like not gonna be moving at all, right? But then the foam wrap from Bronner Brothers is actually, it's their professional line, obviously, so it's gonna be more so for you to set the style and then curl perfect, because it left the hair super soft, definitely shiny, as you guys can see. So I'm super happy with it. I really don't have too many complaints. And then of course here you guys can see this parting space. I did want to kind of just like leave it as is. I didn't want to overkill with the baby hair. I didn't want to pluck because I wanted this tutorial to be beginner friendly. So as long as you are comfortable with bleaching the knot, you're able to go ahead and put on that wig grip, which y'all, this wig ain't moving, okay? And honestly, I hate when people do, I hate the period, I hate it. But anyway, yes. But anyway, yes, the wig is not moving anywhere, so I'm super happy with it. It's super soft, nice texture, you guys can see. And I like that it has these little ringlets at the end. Now, the one thing that I will say is when you get curly hair, you definitely want to make sure that you wash and condition it right away. I don't care if they tell you they've already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that, because you aren't going to know the true pattern unless you are dealing with some virgin hair, which, let's be honest, okay, we're here to cut corners. And if you are going to be having any type of like curly hair, 9 times out of 10 it has been modified in some type of way. So chemically treated, whatever it is, steam pressed, all that, you want to make sure that you get the true texture, because this is not the way that the hair came, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video. But I'm done talking. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions down below. Y'all, I kind of want to finish the video with like nice full hair, y'all. This is looking so cute. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty. I feel like I haven't done like a sunflower giveaway in a while. You guys, I have so many wigs. So many wigs. I am gonna put some of them up on the Forever Chrissy site, obviously to resell for a lower price, but there's a ton of stuff I need to just give away. I'm looking around the film room and there's just like a lot, okay, a lot of PR packages, a lot of stuff that's just come in that you guys deserve. So comment down below if you guys would like to see a giveaway. We're inching upon 300K. Can y'all believe that? Like, how did we get here? Okay, how did you? Okay, listen, how did we get here? With hard work and dedication, baby. If I say anywho one more time, I remember a couple videos ago, probably like last year, I had somebody clocking me on the anywho, so I kind of dialed it back a little bit. But anywho, I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies.